Hi everyone. Imagine a life where money worries no longer hold you back, where you have the freedom to spend time with loved ones, travel, or retire comfortably on your own terms. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how investing in Vanguard ETFs and index funds can help you make that dream a reality, even if you are a complete beginner. So stick around. Hi, I'm Yomi, your financial coach and guide to smart money decisions. If you want clear, practical advice on investing and securing your financial future, you are in the right place. So hit the subscribe button below so you get notified when my next videos comes out. Like many families, financial education wasn't easy to come by. When I moved to the UK, friends suggested that I get store cards and credit options. But thanks to my husband's frugality, we avoided unnecessary debt and focused on true wealth building. My investing journey really took off thanks to resources like the Meaningful Money podcast and a lot of research. I discovered how powerful low-cost diversified funds like Vanguard ETFs can be in growing your savings steadily through compound interest. That's what changed everything for me. And today, I want to share what I have learned to help you take confident steps to financial freedom. Let's break it down. ETFs, or the same thing as exchange-traded funds. They are like baskets of stocks or bonds you can buy and sell on the stock market, just like individual shares. This gives you instant diversification and spreads the risk. Index funds are very similar, but they are usually tracked once per day and they passively track a market index, so you don't have to pick individual stocks. Here are some quick terms you should know. NAV or NAV, which is the net value per share of the fund. TER, the annual fee the fund charges. Lower fees mean more money stays working for you. Accumulation funds reinvest dividends automatically, which is great for long-term growth. Passive investing means minimal buying and selling, keeping costs low and steady growth over time. So, why Vanguard? First, they pioneered low-cost investing. Their fees are amongst the lowest in the market, meaning more money stays invested and compounds over time. Second, Vanguard is owned by its investors, so they prioritize outcomes, not profit. Third, Vanguard offers a wide range of diversified funds that are simple to access via popular UK platforms like Invest Engine and AJ Bell. So if you're new to investing, Vanguard gives you the perfect balance of affordability, reliability, and accessibility. Here are the top 4 Vanguard funds I recommend for beginners aiming for financial independence. So the first one is Vanguard FTSE Developed World ex-UK Equity Index Fund. This offers global exposure excluding the UK, mostly large companies with very low fees. It is perfect if you want to reduce your UK market risk, and they're accessible on popular UK platforms with competitive fees. Next, let's take a look at Vanguard FTSE All World ETF. There are 2 versions, which is the income option or the accumulation option. It's truly global with emerging markets, broad diversification. It has a slightly higher fee of 0.22%, but it's great for all-in-one global investing. Next is Vanguard FTSE Global All Cap Index Fund. It includes small, mid, and large companies globally for wide exposure. The fee is around 0.23% and it's great for growth with some volatility. Finally, let's look at the Vanguard Life Strategy 100% Equity Fund. It's fully diversified global equity fund. It's great for set and forget option, and the fee is about 0.22%. Remember, all these funds have minimum investment of around £500 lump sum or £100 on a monthly basis, which is good for pound cost averaging. And they're accessible on popular UK platforms with competitive fees. Choosing the right platform is just as important as picking your funds. Platform fees can eat into your profit over time, especially if your profit is under £32,000. For small investors, platforms like Invest Engine offer zero platform fees on ETFs, which is a fantastic way of investing for beginners. AJBL charges 0.25% annually, which is capped at £42. Minimizing fees wherever possible helps your investment grow faster, so don't overlook this. Let's quickly cover some mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. First, ignoring fees. Always compare platform fees and fund fees. Lack of diversification. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Trying to time the market. Always ensure you invest consistently. It is about the time in the market, not timing the market. Neglecting to review and rebalance your portfolio. Not using tax efficient accounts like ISAs, LISAs, and SIPs. Another mistake is letting emotions drive your decisions. Stay patient and disciplined. If you want to learn more about Lifetime ISA, click the link above to learn more. So let's move on to some frequently asked questions. What's the difference between ETFs and index funds? Can I lose my money investing in these funds? What's the minimum investment? How do fees impact my returns? Are Vanguard funds suitable for beginners? If you want detailed answers, check the description below for links to useful guides. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, financial independence is a journey that starts with understanding, making smart choices, and staying consistent. Investing in Vanguard ETFs and index funds offers simple, affordable, and effective way to grow your wealth over time. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with friends who could benefit. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.